A backlink, also known as an incoming link, occurs when someone else's website is linked to yours. If you are trying to figure out the meaning of backlinks, you have undoubtedly done some research on how to get traffic to your site and see how important it is to have backlinks to help internet traffic find you. It works like that. Fortunately, you've created your site the right way, using the right keywords and structure, so your site is on track to optimize the search engine. If you use the right SEO, search engine optimization, strategies, you will rank high on search engines. This means that when someone enters a search engine to look for something that your company offers, you appear on the first page of the search engine's results, not your competitors. Therefore, search engine optimization is essential, and you should keep this in mind when creating your website. Now, we go more into the specific answer to what is a backlink, although the structure and keywords are essential for you to keep in mind when creating and adding to your site. The most crucial factor for good SEO for the rest of the life of the site is to combine great original content and maintain good backlinks. The reason is simple. Search engines use backlinks to assess the value or importance of your site. If you have many other links to your site, it tells search engines that you have a reputable site that is worth showing high in results. Then you move up the rankings. While the amount of backlinks contributes to your ranking, it is also essential to ensure that you maintain high backlink quality as well. Try to avoid backlinks from sites that have nothing to do with your website. Besides, it is better to have backlinks from other high-ranking sites as long as they are related to yours. Never buy backlinks. Don't use backlink farm sites and other black hat SEO practices. Your website will be penalized or even removed from search engines. There are many ways to create backlinks. You can hire a service to do this for you, but be sure to research to ensure that you get enough high-quality links for what you spend. Make sure that ethics work involves building and growing natural backlinks. You can also do this yourself. It is quite a time-consuming and can be frustrating, but it will help your website rank if they are natural and niche-related. If you decide to create a link for yourself, you can manually request that others link to you, or manually submit your site to the most reputable directories. Submit articles with links to your site to the various article directories, and you can participate in forums and other social media platforms for people to continually click on your links. These are just some of the many ways in which you can increase the number of backlinks to your website. Now that you have the basic answer to what a backlink is, it's time to start adding them to your internet marketing strategy.